Hi, I'm Andy Nybo, Principal and Head of Derivatives here at TABB Group. Today I'm talking about our most recent report, U.S. Options Trading 2010, the role of technology on the buy-side trading desk. This is the second part of a two-part series of report looking at options trading by the buy-side. This report looks at technology and its role on the buy-side trading desk and the importance and growing importance of technology in their options trading processes. So this report looks at and examines the types of technologies that they use, that they invest in, that they've acquired over the past year to support their options trading activity. It's not just about direct market access or DMA platform, it's about the analytics packages they use, the systems that they use to trade options. It looks at the technologies that they use to determine their risk analytics and to evaluate their risk positions. It looks at what they want in terms of technology, what they need to help their options trading process be more effective and more efficient. So it looks at the direct market access platforms and the role that they play in their options trading activity. It looks at what works the best on those platforms and what they really want and what they really need from their DMA platforms. It does the same thing in terms of their risk platforms. It looks at where they get their risk analytics and what types of measures that they look at when trying to evaluate their exposures and their potential risk exposures. It looks at some of the factors that drives their order flow through an electronic process or through a voice process. So it evaluates all the factors around how they determine where to route their orders. From the asset management perspective, it's looking at why asset managers don't want to trade more electronically and why they continue to pick up the phone and use the phone to communicate their orders to their brokers. In contrast, hedge funds are very aggressive in using technology, and this report examines how they are beginning to adopt the options algorithms in their trading process and how their flow continues to increase through those channels, and also the role and importance of DMA in their strategies. It looks at how the platforms have evolved and are evolving to integrate both analytics and risk on one platform, so that the options trader doesn't have to do swivel head integration and look from one platform to another to determine what his risk exposure is and then rekey the data. It looks at the leading OMS systems and EMS systems that are being used by buy-side options traders and provides some perspective on what they're looking for when they determine how they're going to use a platform or whether they're going to use a platform. So this is our most recent report. Thank you for your time. Again, Andy Nybo, Principal and Head of Derivatives here at TABB Group.